What's the meaning of coelacanth? Coelacanth. Coelacanth.
Coelacanth. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is a type of fish that was thought to be extinct until one was discovered in 1938. The word coelacanth comes from the Greek words for hollow and spine, referring to the fish's unique skeleton. Coelacanth are known for their lobed fins, which resemble primitive limbs, and their ability to live at great depths. They have been referred to as living fossils because they have remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Today, coelacanth are a rare and protected species, found only in deep waters off the coast of East Africa and Indonesia.